To understand population demographics of a species, detailed analysis of communities within habitats needs to be undertaken. This is an essential part of ecology and its management. The TEAM network, which stands for Tropical Ecology Assessment and Monitoring Network, is an ambitious program which strives to understand patterns in biodiversity and what influences these changes. The data was recorded by the TEAM researchers using ground surveys and successfully identified 4 primate species over 2 sample sites in Caxuana, Brazil. Using the downloaded data, I will be examining the difference in total species diversity between sample plot 3 and sample plot 6. This data can be analysed using Simpson's index, which is used in ecology to quantify the biodiversity of a specific area. The equation for the Simpson's index is shown here as D equals the sum of Ni over N squared, where N is the number of individuals of species I and N is the total number of individuals of all species. Using Simpson's index, the total species diversity of plot 3 can be determined as 0.313, and the total diversity of plot 6 can be determined as 0.392. The working is shown here. It can then be determined that the difference in species diversity between the 2 plots is 0.079, and plot 3 therefore can be said to have a higher species diversity than plot 6. Species diversity using Simpson's index ranges between 0 and 1, where 0 represents infinite diversity and a result of 1 represents no diversity. The difference in species diversity between plots may be due to the difference in proximity to the coastline. It is also notable that plot 6 was also situated exclusively to one side of the area, whereas plot 3 was surrounded by other sample plots. This could mean that there is a high diversity of other terrestrial vertebrates or vegetation species in these areas. It remains difficult to determine specific causes of differing diversity in plots of a similar geographical region without further study of climatic and biophysical factors, as well as varying vegetation and vertebrate species. Thanks for watching, guys.